How to play Stardew Valley multiplayer mobile. Is it possible? Let's find out. As you know, on PC, if you have the game on Steam, you can just use the integrated multiplayer mode to invite your friends through Steam and play it through there without any hassle. This is a feature that is currently missing on the mobile version of Stardew. Is there any way to turn this on and play Stardew Valley on mobile with your friends? Sadly, as Stardew Valley Mobile stands, the game is updates behind and currently does not include the multiplayer mode, which means that currently it is impossible to officially play Stardew Valley on multiplayer on mobile. You have to use external modes that enable the multiplayer feature for Stardew Valley. And if you have the official version and you don't want to install on your phone, there is currently no way to play the game multiplayer. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation to the people, but to be aware that it's impossible to play Stardew Valley multiplayer on mobile. And if you have any questions related to this video, feel free to comment below.